Folks, thanks for watching Jeazie TV. There goes my people back there.
I got some. I got my pants up.
Well, we better go get some breakfast. They got free breakfast here. Luckily, they got a way to walk through the building. Because when you get here, we had to drive over here to another building. But we are able to walk through the building to get, I don't know where, boardroom. Complimentary breakfast in a bit hours. We got the sanitizer. Oh, well, I guess we didn't have to put that on. Look back up. Fruit, eggs. So these like little waffle maker. Scrambled eggs. Biscuits and gravy. Okay. So. Got breakfast. I got some biscuits and gravy, eggs, and waffles. I got mango sauce on it. I don't know. They had Canadian bacon. I didn't get none of that. I got the boiled eggs. Alright, y'all, we finally out and about. We was up in the room for about 3 hours. 4 hours. It was a while. They got to watch football. Both of them, they lost. They lost their bed, so they kind of quiet. Dad back there quiet. Now we about to go up to Walmart. I don't think we ever go. I was about to say we don't ever go out of town without going to Walmart.
Every time we go out of town, we find a Walmart.
Walmart knew it. Walmart knew it. They knew what they was doing. And we about to go there and go to what's the name? Johnny T?
Johnny T.
Johnny T.
That's it. I'm at home.
What's his name?
Arthur Bryant.
Oh, way off. Arthur Bryant. I knew it was some man name.
I know it was a man.
Well, yeah, we about to go eat there. Dad keep talking about it, the barbecue, so it better be good. Yeah.
Kansas City without no barbecue.
If it don't be good, we're gonna be like, side eye.
Well, it gotta be better than Gates, because people just swear up and down about that Gates.
Be good, but then
I don't like Gates at all.
No.
the other barbecue place was pretty good.
Like the one in Westport.
Gates be like, let me get a slab of ribs. Get a slab of ribs! Like, oh, like, why are you gonna yell?
These niggas want some ribs.
It's ghetto.
You white folks want some cabbage.
We went to that one. What was that one place called? It was a more expensive.
Union.
That wasn't it.
Yeah, that's the Union.
It was called like Johnny.
That's when I was bald.
Yeah. That was expensive. It was pretty good though.
Pay for everything.
Pay for everything. Yeah, that's what we about to go. We done seen like 20 concerts here.
It's either Anthony Hamilton or
Fantasia. This is where Dad wanted to come, but usually when a place looks like this, the food be good. Very good.
sit over here.
Oh, y'all gonna sit over here? This is
Ribs is good. Ribs is delicious.
the ribs was good.
I was trying to find some good ribs for a while now. The ribs is good.
It was okay.
It was okay. I'm about to say that's what Aaron gonna say.
Oh,
Just okay.
It wasn't the top.
Barbecue sauce was okay.
Dad, I feel like you need to just open up something, cause like every time we go to barbecue places, they just be Okay. I just
stop messing around.
I just had a turkey sandwich.
Like person last time there.
It was a, you know, it was turkey, you know.
What's the name? It tastes better than that to me. Big Jim. I mean, not Big Jim, but what's the Bills?
Bills?
Bills? No, I don't know about that.
Dad, you used to get bills all the
I
time.
had no bills in 1,000
You
years.
used to always go get bills.
Man, him needs to go.
Yeah, he used to always bring them bills home. Them ribs.
I ain't been to bills in a long time since he died. It's been a long time.
Also, didn't change it up since he died. But yeah, it was just, and it was real. They need a remodel.
Yeah.
They really need to remodel that place. That place was horrible.
Okay. Yeah, it looks real bad, y'all. But you know, they're open and they have a lot. They have a lot of customers here, so
People
I
here.
guess that's all that matters. Cause they just throw the food on the plates, like. Yeah, I'm like, oh.
I know.
Okay. That's how you gonna do my sandwich?
Ain't clean, nothing.
Nothing clean. It's just food everywhere. I said, ooh, the health department better not walk up in here. Cause
Yeah, cause they ain't too tidy yet.
nah.
Man, we got this car pulled out real quick.
Yeah, now we're about to go bowling. Mother requested bowling, so that's what we're about to do.
Yeah, we're gonna stop at the room first and drop this stuff.
Y'all ready to lose? I'm about to win. I don't got my nails on. I'm about to win.
We should do a wager.
Oh, Mama, y'all always trying to bet. No, I'm not betting on that one. Especially not.
When you ain't too
I
sure
bet I lose. I bet I lose.
When you supposed to be sure of yourself.
But no, I know what I'm good at. I'll play some games too. There's got all the pool tables over there. I got Italian street food, the bowling, laser tag over there. What are prices? Alright y'all, so we are at the main event now. We got a good deal, $20 to bowl, do the rope course, do pool, and laser tag. It's $20 per person, so that's a good deal. So we about to do it. Here is the bowling alley. Isn't it cute? Nice and big. Mom and Dad got a bet going on. If she win, what'd you get, $10, Mom? Yep. I wasn't getting in on that because I'm not that great at this. I ain't even gonna lie, I ain't not that good. But yeah, this is a cute little place. We got the little rope course over there. We're probably gonna try that later. I'm getting ready to whoop their butts.
Let me take my rings off.
Gotta get a light ball.
There goes our bowling name.
Yep.
Mom, you went already? Mom didn't go yet.
Let's start talking about it.
Yvonne, Everett, JuJu.
The bed with us, three?
Yeah, he been with us. Oh, Dad, really? You gotta stretch? He gotta stretch. All that, let's see. All that straight. It was just a warm up, huh, Dad? Look, mom happy. She about to get that $10. All right, the next one. You got the next one, Dad. You got it. Need a little pause. Okay. He's focused.
I ain't the only one.
He's focused. Woo! Almost. He didn't do that one on the strike. But they over there dancing. Look at him. You can get the spare. Woo! Okay. Okay. Right, I didn't get back.
Oh, he got 10.
All right.
That's all you gotta worry about.
Hit something.
Say something.
Why you going like that? You feel I forgot. That's how you be going.
I was still hungry, so I got my queso and my donut. You got a strike, Mom? Okay, little dance.
Oh, that means I get another piece. I get to throw another one on.
I don't think so.
I'm supposed to.
Oh yeah, you on your last one, yep. How I feel to come in the last place, Dad? I beat him. My mama's got there. She's second. How I feel to be first?
Oh, no.
You know.
Ready for the game?
I score. I wasn't as lucky this game. I came in last. I beat Mom this time. He came in second. Came up from last place to second. How do you feel? How do you feel you had to get $5 back?
I didn't like that at all.
I didn't like that at all. Now we about to go try this laser tag. I don't think I've ever, have we played laser tag before?
I know I ain't never played it. Oh yeah,
I never played it. I don't think so. I'm trying to, yeah, I don't think I've ever played laser tag. That's crazy. But that's what we're about to go do now. Y'all ready to do some laser tag?
Yeah, never done it before.
Me neither. Huh?
We'll outline how to use your laser tag equipment. First, let's go through the functions of the laser. The laser will be activated before your trigger button will fire. Simply place your free hand.
Y'all, I couldn't. I was too busy running. It was too dark, but I won, y'all. I'm not a loser.
Oh wow. I came in last.
Okay? I beat Eric by like 900 points. Let's just be clear. I'm a sniper. Yeah, I'm a sniper. You didn't expect to win now? Well, we got air hockey. And Eric going over to the basketball.
I could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Clothes the match that they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse.
I won laser tag, so it's okay.
Ooh, from the inside out. So right now, say it with your chest now. Say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be words, I could be a hater like you. It could all be words.
They ready for Christmas, ain't they? Halloween ain't even over yet. This hotel is really nice. I mean, casino.
Casinos, we don't have to have masks.
Well, you see, it's been a lot different here. Everybody been masked up. Yeah. Was it Caesar's? Paris had it like this too? Yeah, just Caesar's. It's really pretty in here. Mom over here trying to get her money.
Don't want to give it to me.
We lost our $20 and got it back. Ain't that right? Yep. We won.
So y'all won.
Plus the bowling and air hockey. Did a couple of things.
I'm alright.
Don't do it.
How am I supposed to do it again? It's a
You can throw out another king or
Club.
club
or it's a club.
Any kind of
or
water.
a jack.
Oh, you gave me two, huh? Oh.
I keep forgetting that's a draw.
Last
I'm just
card.
throwing out cards.
Last card.
I'm out.
Oh.
Let's see how much points you got.
40.
40.
I can do with dirty.
50. 60. 70. 80. 6.
Good one.
We going to what, 3 or 5?
Five.
Oh man, that was a good one. Got you good on that.